This video will walk you through how to safely bolt down your SentrySafe fire and waterproof safe. Let's get started. First, you'll need to gather a few tools, including a 1/2-inch socket wrench and a drill with a 7/16 bit. This drill bit will be used to drill into the safe itself. In addition, depending on the type of floor you have, you will need either a 9/32 drill bit for wood floors or a 1/2-inch drill bit for masonry floors. To bolt down your safe, tip the safe onto its right side. Make sure the door hinges are horizontal with the floor. Unlock the safe and open the door with the bottom of the safe facing you. If the rubber pads are still in place, remove them before drilling. Using the 7/16 bit, drill a hole through 2 diagonal feet on the bottom of the safe. You should never drill from any location inside the safe or through the walls. This could compromise the integrity of your safe and the fire rating. Next, tip the safe upright and place it in the desired location. Then, open the door. Using a screw or a pencil, mark the floor through both holes. Then, move the safe aside to clear your marked spots for drilling. For wood floors, use the 9/32 bit to drill a hole 2.5 inches deep in each marked spot. For masonry floors, use the 1/2-inch bit to drill a hole 2.5 inches deep in each marked spot. Then install a masonry anchor in each hole. Replace the safe in the desired position, making sure to align the holes in the safe with those in the floor. To secure the safe in wood floors, pass each lag screw through a washer through the safe, then into a hole. Be sure the gasket washer is facing down. Then, tighten each screw with the wrench. To secure in masonry floors, pass each lag screw through a washer through the safe, then into the masonry anchor. Again, be sure the gasket washer is facing down. Then tighten each screw with the wrench. That's all there is to it. Your safe should now be securely bolted in place and ready to protect your valuables.